Dive into the world of SEO, where two types reign supreme: technical and content SEO. SEO branches into these two significant categories. Both are integral part of a comprehensive SEO strategy. So what sets these two types apart? Let's dive deeper. Technical SEO, as the name suggests, focuses on the technical aspects of your website. It's optimizing your site for effective crawling and indexing, enhancing page speed, formulating an XML sitemap, and assuring a secure, mobile-friendly site. But what about content SEO? Let's find out. Content SEO is about creating excellent content loved by users and search engines. The secret lies in the harmony of keyword research, engaging content creation, and on-page SEO elements like meta tags. Remember, both types of SEO are integral to your website's success. At Authority Solutions, we understand the unique interplay between technical and content SEO. We offer comprehensive SEO services, harnessing the power of both to help your business flourish in the digital space. Remember, technical SEO ensures your site is well-structured and easily crawled by search engines, while content SEO helps your audience find value in your offerings. Both are integral to a thriving online strategy. Authority Solutions can be your partner in navigating this intricate landscape. If you found this video helpful, remember to like it, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more insights into the world of SEO.